the warm up, and we spent a lot of time on this because I was kind of silly and I didn't look at the paper that you had. I just looked at the online stuff. So with this, the most fundamental thing, and don't expect you're going to get any help with this on a quiz or a test, you have to be able to fill the table in. So 50 plus 30 is 80. Do that. Boom. 80. Okay, we've got 120 and 90 is 210, I believe. So if we subtract those two numbers, we get what's left over there, which would be the negative total, 180. Okay. Females, 50 plus something is 120, so subtract and you get 70. 90 minus 30 is 60. And we've got the table filled in. Yeah, okay. And let's see. So, what's the probability that the medicine gives a positive result for females? So if we look at females and positive and female together is 50. Positive, and so that's 50. And the total number of people is 210. So we have positive and females. Let's do this. How about we do this, guys? Good. 50 divided by 210, which is about 0.24. Rounding a little bit. Okay, good. What's the probability negative effect for males? So if we look at just males now, right? Males, we got 90 of them total, and it says positive? No, negative effect. Negative effect. So 60 would be where they cross. So 60 out of 90. No, 60 out of 210 out of all people. Probably the medicine is a negative effect for males. So 60 out of 210, right? So 60 over 210, that gives me 0.29 about. Okay, so that's, there seems to be a little bit higher chance, not much, of a negative result for males than there is a positive result for females. If that means anything. Was this medicine's success independent of gender? So success and gender, are they independent? Let's see. So success means positive, yeah. If it's successful, it's positive, I guess. So we'll just call that positive, and gender would be females or males. All right, so we can choose whichever one we want. We need to see if this thing is independent of gender. We can try males, we can try females. It should work for both. So the test for independence, one of them is that formula that we had from before, where we had probability female and positive. So the both is equal to, now we're checking to see if this is equal to the probability of female times, if it's true, then this will be independent probability positive. So the separate things, are the separate things equal to the intersection of those things when you multiply the separate things? That's this independence test. Okay, and we should get 50 out of 210 for this, and these are 120 out of 210 and 80 out of 210. So we multiply things out and we get over here. If you do it correctly, you should double check it that you could do it right on the test. That, and we want to know if it's equal to 50 over 210, you get about 2.238. So they are close, but they are not equal. So not independent, or you could say they are dependent. Okay, which one depends on the other one? I guess if you're whether you're positive or not depends on if you're a female or a male, I suppose. Okay, so that's our warm up.